Oh man, I hate when that happens. When I was filming this, I had a whole narration thought out in my head. Now I can't remember it. Well, anyways, I was unhappy with my front bumper lighting. The green forward-facing 5-inch aux beam lights. So I decided to change it to what I originally wanted. I really should preface this and say, at the point I am in my off-roading, camping, life experiences and all that stuff, I really don't have any need for off-road lights. I don't want to be off-road after sunset. I don't want to be driving on a dirt road or on a trail and need lights. That said, this mod is basically, I'll be totally upfront, 90% vanity, daytime stuff. It'll get used at night, it just won't be used as much as it looks like it'll get used. So my first iteration of the lights, they were too far apart. They stuck out in front of the bumper too much. It just wasn't a good setup. It was inexpensive. It got me some lights, which I kind of needed in a hurry because I was going out and staying off-road in some desolate places. So basically what these are, they're four. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. They're 5-inch aux beam XP Pros, I think. They got a 3x3 LED setup, which kind of matches the taillights on the Raptor, because it's got a 3x3 and 9 setup on it. That's what originally brought me to it. But I've had 2 of them on the bumper for over a year. No rust, no problems with them other than the mount. I like the way that this actually lined up dead center with the FORD light, and it did not go up high enough to where it blocked the Ford. I just think the balance up and down, left and right, it just nailed it. I'm good. I've got another video that's going to show the light output of it. This is just more bragging. It ain't bragging if you can back it up. I really like the look of it. And it throws a lot of light way down the road, way further than you're ever going to drive to or get to at any speed. And they're solid. They don't vibrate much. There's some roads and washboard that they're just going to vibrate no matter what you put on there. As far as the hookup, they're both running together at the same time off of aux switch number 2. That's just triggering the relay, and then each relay is fused on their own fuse, and I've got it neatly lined up. But basically I used the wiring harness that came with the aux beam, and I didn't cut any of it. I had a little bit, about maybe 2.5 feet of slack I could have cut out, but I just coiled it up underneath and put it away nice and neat for now. I'm not adding any of other lights. I'm not adding anything else on my list, actually. Okay, I'll say it again. I don't mind repeating myself. I would love for those to be amber, but you can't get an amber and an LED lights. They're green. The higher Kelvin numbers are becoming a blue. Yellow lens on them. Yellow and blue makes green. You can't make it any other way without getting really expensive. But white is right. It looks good. It throws a lot of light out. I'm happy with it. I'm done. Thanks for watching. See ya.